Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is time for our fall video update. First up is our Canadian motocross high testosterone woman that we did some FUEs into scars last year. And so here she is last October. Here's the scars. You had 3 or 4 of them, I think, right, Wendy?
Yeah.
And then here's the grafts in place. And here she is at a month. She had to leave and go back to Canada due to a snowstorm, freak snowstorm in early October last year. And then she sent these at 5 months, and I think I did a little video update. And now she's at 9 or 10 months, and she sent these in, and she's happy.
Yeah, they're going to still
And it's still going to keep growing. Yeah.
Right, yeah.
And so the reason for this little update is we've had 20 calls this summer about people asking whether we can put hair in the scar. And the answer is yeah, we can. And the trouble becomes if you have very fine, fragile, weak hair and really fat scars, it's like planting dandelions in clay. But if you have decent hair and your scar isn't so rough and woody, it's just like planting anything in the yard outside. And even if it is harder scar, there's things we can do, but that becomes a harder job. So if we can help you with something like this, give us a call. Thank you.